Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to download and install Fixy AI app on your iPhone. First, open App Store. After you open your App Store, you can see the search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and here on the top you can see the search bar. Click on it and type in Fixy AI. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official app of Fixy AI, which says AI grammar check spell. You can see get option here. Click on this get button. Now after the verification, your download will be started, and download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you can see open button like this. Click on open button to use Fixy AI app on your iPhone. So this is how you can install and use Fixy AI app on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.